My mic just died.
Alright, so this is Myles and Tessa, Sunday Bridge Chat. We were talking about SLINKY and what you need to do in order to enjoy and be artistic to those slow songs is the actual technical side of some fundamental movement skills. We have the personal movement skills, the partnership movement skills. On the personal movement side, we're talking about foot rolling technique.
Using more of the entire foot, toe to the ball, arch, touching down, heel, and then going down, toe ball, arch, heel, knee straight, toe ball, arch, heel, knee straight. Taking bigger strides as well, longer actual connection with the floor, and on side steps particularly, reaching out in front of yourself, reaching out in front of yourself, taking that weight transfer and then dragging through the floor to make that contact and balance all the time.
The last thing we were talking about was allowing your body to do other body isolations so that you're continuously moving even though you're not stepping because there's balance in motion. And the last part that we did was, lengthening the slot, making sure that you're allowing the leader to chase the follower a little bit to make that slot a little bit longer. So we're avoiding too much tripling on the spot where it's not necessary. If it's not necessary, don't bother posting.
Also use more slot width. So use diagonals a lot more. Use even just using pressure, which we'll get into in a second. Allowing that to flow more through the floor. Almost Metcalf two-step-esque on my endings, triple step.
And then we were talking about getting some plugging in of the frame with authentic pressure connection. The video that we mentioned when we were talking about this is that magnetic action staying plugged into whatever surface that being touched with engages my arms to my core, which creates frame in any position. And so the video that we want you to look out for that is called the 8 Habit Secrets to Steering. So that's on our website, mylesandtessa.com. We had an absolute blast with you, and we look forward to dancing SLINKY.